Welcome back children. Happy day students. San Academy Pallikarnai class 7 mathematics. Okay. So this is a chapter 21 same and the collection and organization of data part 2. So as I told you in the previous video, that part 1 video, so mean we have discussed clearly. So this is median and mode. So the part 2 is covered median and mode, okay, in the same chapter, collection and organization of data. So as we discussed already about data clearly in the part 1 video, so same using data we are going to find median and mode. Okay, yes, median of ungrouped data. So I will explain you first what is median. Okay, so a median is after arranging the given data in ascending or descending order of magnitude. So in mean I told you we need to arrange the data in ascending order or else in a descending order. So like that, for in a median also we need to arrange the data in ascending order or in a descending order. The value of the middle most observation is called the median. So for example, if it is 5 data, if it is a 5 data is there, 5 data means the middle most value. For example, this side will, left side will be 2, right side will be 2, and the middle is a 1. So which means 2 plus 2 is a 4, 4 plus 1 is a 5. So in the middle value is the answer. So the middle value only, middle value of the data only we have to take, that is the median of data. So this is called the median. Again I am telling what exactly the median is. After arranging the given data of ascending order or a descending order, the middle value, the middle data is known as the median of data. Okay children, the next slide. Yes, method of finding the median of ungrouped data. So we have certain formulas as I told you in the mean also. So use we are going to learn the formula. Arrange the data in ascending or descending order of magnitude. Let the total number of observation be n. So the total number we have to take, that is a n. Okay, see the case 1. The case 1, when n is odd, when n is odd means the total number of data, the total number of data is a odd, the counting is a odd. For example, total number of data is a 5 countings, 5 is a odd. If it is a 6 counting means it is a even. Suppose if the number of observation is a n is a odd. If it is odd means we have a formula. If it is a odd means we have a median formula, that is 1 by 2 n plus 1th observation. That is 1 by 2 n plus 1th observation. So children, all the formulas you have to memorize. Okay, suppose if n is even, suppose if n is even, even means we know what is even numbers. Okay, if n is even means median is equal to 1 by 2 n plus 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So this also we have formula. This, if it is a odd means we need to apply this formula. If it is a even means we have to apply the second formula. Children, are you clear? Okay, so using that formula we are going to find one, we are going to learn one example. Okay, yes, see here. First example, the runs scored by 11 members of cricket team. The runs scored by 11 members. So they already told that is 11 members. 11 members are there. Okay, so 11 members means that is a odd. Okay, so first we need to arrange the number of runs in ascending order. First we have to arrange it in ascending order. Here n is equal to 11. So 11 will be odd, right? So for if it is a odd means we have a certain formula I told you in the previous slide, that is value of 1 by 2 n plus 1th observation. Value of 1 by 2 n plus 1th observation. Here what is n? That is 11. So for n we can substitute, that is 11. So 1 by 2, 11 plus 1 is equal to, so what is 11 plus 1? It's a 12, right? It's a 12. So if it is a 12 here means we have to cancel in 2 table. 2 ones are 2. In 12 we have to cancel it in a same 2 table, that is a 6. Okay. Now what is the 6th term? First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. And what is the 6th term? That is a 34. So hence the median of the score is a 34. So 34 will be the answer. Are you clear children? If it is a odd means how we have to find the answer? Okay. And coming to the next one, So this is 10 students. So 10 students means definitely we know that is a even number. Okay. So first we need to arrange the data in a ascending order. Then n is equal to 10. So the formula, if it is a even, means we have a formula that is 1 by 2 into n by n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, what is a n? That is a 10. So for n, instead of n we have to substitute 10. So 10 by 2 term, 10 by 1 plus 1th term. Okay, so if it is a 10 by 2 means the answer will be here 5th term. 5th term. 10 by 2 plus 1 means that is 2 1s are 2. 10 plus 2 is a 12. 12 by 2. So if you are cancelling means that is 6. So 5th term plus 6th term. What is 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term is a 40. So 40 plus, what is 6th term? 6th term is a 41. That is a 41. So 40 plus 41 is a 81 by 2. If you are cancelling means that is 40.5 kg. So the median weight is equal to 40.5 kg. Children, I hope you clear in this median. Okay, and the next slide. Yes. Median of discrete series. So previously we have seen only the ungrouped data. So this is a frequency table. This is a frequency table. So frequency table means, as we already discussed in mean also, frequency table means we have to make it as a table. Okay. So method, find first arrange the terms in ascending or descending order. Now prepare cumulative frequency table. Let the total frequency be n. So we have to take the total frequency is a n. So here also, if we have a odd number, we have a formula. So if we have a even number, so that also we have a separate formula. If it is a odd number means the formula is size of n plus 1 by 2. Okay. If it is a even means 1 by 2 size of n by 2 plus size of n by 2 plus 1. So this is the formula for median of discrete series. So using that formula we are going to do the tabulation method. Yes. See the question. Find the median for the following frequency table. So in the question itself they told us to find median. Okay. So marks obtained. This is the question. Marks obtained, that is a xi. Number of students, that is a fi. So marks obtained 17, 20, 22, 15, 30, 25. So 5 students got 17 marks. So 9 students got 20 marks, 4 students got 22, 3 students 15, 10 students 30, 6 students 25. Okay, first we have to arrange it in ascending order. First we need to arrange it in ascending order. Okay, now prepare the cumulative frequency table we have. So first marks obtained. So 15, 17, 20, 22, 25, that's the ascending order, and 3, 5, 9, 4, 6, 10. Okay. So I will see, children, this is very important. Cumulative frequency simply we cannot do. Okay. So first you can write how many number of students, that you can write first 3. And then you can add the second term. 3 plus 5 is the 8. So 8 we have to write. Again 8 plus 9 is the 17. 17 plus 4 is the 21. 21 plus 6 is a 27, 27 plus 10 is a 37. So finally we got the answer 37. So total number of terms is equal to 37. So 37 is definitely, it is the odd number. 37 is definitely, it is the odd number. So we know the formula for odd number. So odd number, that is n plus 1 by 2, that is odd number formula. So for instead of n we have to substitute, that is a 37 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 38 by 2. So 38 by 2 means in 2 table we can cancel 38 by 2. Okay, so if you are cancelling means it will be the 19th student, it will be the 19. 38 divided by 2, if you are cancelling, that is 19 is the answer. Now we have to check where is 19. So in the cumulative frequency we have to check where is 19. So we don't have 19, but we need to find which two number 19 is, lying. So 17 and 21 only, the 19 is lying or staying. Okay, so in between numbers we have to write, that is the 17 after is the 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Okay, so and 21st. Okay, so what is that, what is the marks, that is if 21 straight, what is the mark? 22. So 22 is the median of marks. I hope children you understood clearly this median of the cumulative frequency. Okay. So and the next thing is mode. So median we completed, and coming to the mode. So mode is very easy. It's nothing. So how many numbers it occurs frequently. So which number is occurs frequently, that is a mode. For example, 1 2 2 3 4 5 5 5 5 6 7. Okay. So what number I said, that is 5 is repeated many times. So 5 is a mode. Okay. And we have also formula here, that is we use the formula mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. So for finding mode, we have to find first mean and median, then finally we can find mode. Okay, this is a formula. Yes. So one example I have given. See the example. The marks obtained by 11 students of class in a test are given below. So first of all, we have to arrange the number in ascending order. So for all the mean, median, mode, we need to arrange it first ascending order. Okay. Then we can say which number is repeated many times. Then we can say which number is repeated many times. Okay. So 23, 23, 23, 23. So 23 is repeating 4 times. So hence mode marks is a 23. So hence the answer will be 23. Are you clear children? Mode. Okay. And formula substituting. So that formula I told you, no, that formula substituting problem. So see here, find the mean and median of the following data. So first we have to find the mean and median. So both we have to do. Finally we can find mode. Okay. So this is the question. So 42, 47, 52, 57, 62, 67, 72. Okay. So on the straight we have to write number of person 3, 8, 6, 8, 11, 5, 9. Okay, we know already how to find cumulative frequency, which I told you. First we have to write this 3 straight, and we can multiply in the cross numbers. 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17, 17 plus 8 is 25, 25 plus 11 is 36, 36 plus 5 is 41, 41 plus 9 is 50. This is a cumulative frequency how we are finding. And this one, xi into fi. So this is mean. This is mean value. This is a mean value. This is a median value. So for mean value, we have to find fi into xi. So we can multiply this 42 into 3, 126, 47 into 8, 378. So this one we can multiply and find the answer. Okay, so finally we have to add this numbers, that is 2935. Okay, so hence sigma fi is equal to 50. So number of person is a 50%, that is called fi, which is even. So this is a even number. So let us substitute in the formula. Let us substitute in the formula. So first we have to find the median. So why we are following here this 1 by 2 size n by 2 plus 1 means because n is equal to 50. That 50 is a even number. If it is even number, we have a different formula. If it is odd number, we have a different formula. Okay, so 1 by 2 into size of n by 2, n means that is a 50. So 50 by 2 is a 25. So 50 by 2 plus 1, that is a 52 by 2. If you are cancelling in a 2 table, that is 26. So we have to see the 20, which is the 25th item and which is the 26th item. So 25th value is a 57 and 26th value is a 62, as see here. 25th value. Where is 25th value? Yes. So 25th value is a 57, and which number, next number is 25th and 26th. Where is 26th here? Yes, there is no 26, so we can take that is 36. Okay, so 36 value is a 62. Okay, now we can add this 57 plus 62, that is 119. If you are cancelling, now we found the median value 59.5 kg. And next we need to find the mean. Mean formula sigma fi into xi divided by sigma fi. So sigma fi into xi, we found the value, that is 2935 divided by sigma fi is a 50. If you are cancelling, we will get the answer 58.7. Now we have to substitute the values, mean value and median value. What is the formula for mode? That is 3 into median minus 2 into mean. So 3 into median value is a 59.5 median value is 59.5 and mean value is 58.7. So we have to multiply this 3 into 59.5 and 2 into 58.5. If we are subtracting, we will get the answer 61.1 kg. Now we found median value, mean value and mode value. Children, I hope you will be very clear with the mean, median and mode. Thank you children. Thank you ma.